Many years ago, when Eleanor was a young woman, she fell in love with a man named William. William was a traveler who had come to the village by chance, looking for a place to rest. From the moment they met, Eleanor and William felt an undeniable connection. They spent the summer together, exploring the beautiful landscapes and sharing their dreams for the future. William was everything Eleanor had ever dreamed of, kind, adventurous, and full of life. They made plans to be together, to marry and build a life in the village. But as the summer drew to a close, William received news that he had to return to his home in a distant city to take care of his ailing mother. Eleanor was heartbroken but understood that William had to go. He promised he would return to her as soon as he could, and they would continue the life they had planned. Before he left, William gave Eleanor a locket with their initials engraved on it, as a symbol of their love. "This is my promise to you," he said. "I will come back, and we will be together forever." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Eleanor waited by the window every day, hoping to see William walking down the path toward her home. She wrote letters to him, but they were never answered. The villagers began to worrying about her, but Eleanor kept her faith, believing that William would return to her one day. As the years passed, Eleanor grew older, but her love for William never wavered. She continued to wear the locket every day, a reminder of the promise they had made to each other. The villagers often saw her walking along the path where she and William used to stroll, her eyes filled with a quiet longing. One day, a traveler passing through the village noticed Eleanor sitting by the path. He approached her and asked if she was waiting for someone. Eleanor nodded and told him the story of her and William, how they had fallen in love, and the promise he had made to return. The traveler listened with a heavy heart, realizing that William had passed away many years ago in the distant city, unable to fulfill his promise. Eleanor's heart broke all over again as she heard the news, but she did not cry. Instead, she smiled subtly and said, "I always knew he might not come back, but my love for him never died. I will carry it with me until my last breath." The traveler, moved by Eleanor's enduring love, offered to take her to William's resting place in the city, but Eleanor declined, choosing to stay in the village where their love had blossomed. She spent her remaining days quietly, with the locket still around her neck, a symbol of a love that never faded. Moral of the story: true love endures beyond time and distance. Eleanor's love for William remains strong even after decades of waiting, showing that true love can withstand any challenge, even the loss of a loved one. Love is a choice. Eleanor chose to love William despite the uncertainty of his return, reminding us that love is a conscious decision to care for someone, even in their absence. Vocabulary: quaint, attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Eleanor lived in a quaint village surrounded by mountains. Undeniable, unable to be denied or disputed. Eleanor and William felt an undeniable connection from the moment they met. Ailing, in poor health, William had to return home to care for his ailing mother. Wavered, to become unsteady or unsure. Eleanor's love for William never wavered, even as the years passed. Longing, a strong desire or yearning for something or someone. Eleanor's eyes were filled with a quiet longing as she walked along the path. Thank you for watching and listening. Your support truly means the world to me. I hope you found the content enjoyable and engaging. I'm excited to continue this journey with you and share even more in the future. Your encouragement inspires me to keep creating and improving.